Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to background white in Picsart. So, in order to add a white background to your picture, you'll have to first of all navigate to the Picsart application and it will show up this interface. Here, click on the backgrounds button on this interface, then choose a white color as your background. Now this will open up a white background in your Picsart where you can easily see your tools. Here what you're going to do is scroll to the right, click on add photo, then choose the picture for which you want to add a white background. Click on add icon at the top after choosing the picture, adjust your picture on the board, then scroll to the right and here you can click on remove BG. Now you can click on remove background button just right here and it will instantly remove the background of your picture on Picsart. You'll have to just wait and as you can see the background has been removed. Now you can easily adjust the picture of your character and that will instantly remove the background. Now you can download it, but as you can see this is the premium feature for Picsart, that is the remove.bg. So if you don't want to upgrade to a plan and still want to add a white background, click on add photo, choose a photo, adjust it on the board. Now what you'll have to do is scroll to the right, click on the cutout icon and choose person from this option. This will instantly highlight the subject, that is the person in the photo. Now you'll have to click on the erase icon and remove any unwanted areas that has been selected in the highlight. So I will remove this area. Now here I can see that the highlight is also spreading to this area. So I will just remove the highlight, that is the red color. So make sure that the red highlight is only over the subject that you want to keep in the picture. Anything you don't want in the picture should not be covered in this highlight, that is this red color. After doing this, click on the tick icon at the top and this will instantly remove any background. Now, if you're still seeing traces of the background, you can simply click on the picture again. You can click on the erase icon at the top. After this, choose erase and remove the areas, that is any area that you don't want. You can remove it using this tool. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the background of our picture. I'll click on the tick icon at the top, click on tick icon again. Now I can easily click on this picture and adjust it on the background. After doing this, I'll click on the tick icon at the top and as you can see, we have successfully made the background of our picture white. You can easily click on the download icon, then it will show up this page where you can choose it to save as JPG, increase the quality. You can also choose the dimensions and click on save and this will instantly save that picture in your gallery. As you can see, we have successfully added a white background on this photo in Picsart. So that's how you make white background in Picsart. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.